Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S80. In this video I'll tell you how often to change oil in this car. Engine oil plus filter every 15,000 kilometers or 12 months, whichever comes first. For D5 diesel, use 0W30 fully synthetic oil. Timing belt in a D5 model every 100,000 kilometers, every 180,000 kilometers, or 10 years. Must be done on time to prevent engine damage. Transmission fluid replace every 60,000 to 90,000 kilometers, even if marked lifetime. Fuel filter diesel every 60,000 kilometers, brake fluid every 2 years. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.